Philippine. Pumalik para lumaban para sa kanyang bayan na Ukraine, sa kanyang bansa. Pwede naman sana siyang sumibat kasama ng kanyang pamilya. But no, he had to come back and return because he was needed by his country. You are a part of the people. No. Hello. You are part of our people who realize the need to stand up for whatever may happen to this country. Kayong mga reservists, actually, this is voluntarism. Voluntaryo kayo. Alam ninyo kung gano'ng kahalaga ang pangalagaan ng bayan natin. Kaya kayo naririto ngayong hapon. Tama ba? Ang iba doon nagko-computer. Ang iba doon nagtitiktok. Pero kayo, ang iba nagsabog. Pero kayo, nandito kayo. Because you know, you are needed by our country. And our country cannot stand. Sabi nga kanina, God Colonel, ang ating freedom ay pwedeng makamtan natin habang buhay. Mientras may mga sundalo na matatag, may sundalo, reservists na mga disiplinado. Give a big hand to yourselves. So, I thank you from the bottom of my heart. Kayong naririto, nasa puso ko kayo. I am proud to be a part of the Philippine Army. My serial number is 129628. Mababa pa. Kasi dugay na ito kayo. Pero bisan pa, age does not really matter. Love of country is in the heart. And I will die loving my country. I was talking to my friend. The country has enemies. Enemies from without. But the worst is the enemy from within. Ang kalaban natin ay ating sarili. Ang kalaban natin ay yung tayo ay tahimik. Na hindi tayo nagsasalita kung nakikita natin may mga anomalya. Hindi tayo kumikilos kung may nakikita tayo hindi tama. Yan ang totoo na kalaban ng bayan natin sa ngayon. That's why Juan de la Cruz remains to be poor in spite of all the different programs of government. Remember, there are no tyrants or there are no willing slaves. And vigilance is the price of freedom. Dapat, even as a reservist, even as a non-reservist, all of us should be watchful and vigilant so that our government officials, our politicians are doing the right thing for the people and for the country. Unfortunately, dito sa bayan natin ngayon, yung tama, yun ang mali. Yung mali, yun ang tama. Pag ikaw ay tumayo dahil tama ka, kalaban ka na marami. It seems that the normal thing to do is what is wrong and not what is right. I have a very clear marching order to the Sangguniang Panlungsod. And I said, do what is right and do it the right way. I will be in front of you. I will be beside you. I will be at your back, provided you do the right thing for our people. In our country, you have the three pillars of democracy: the executive, the legislative, and the judiciary. And even you have the fourth state, the media. Clearly, these three branches have equal powers. The executive implements, the legislative legislates, and the judiciary watches whether the executive and the legislative are doing everything in accordance to the Constitution, in accordance to the law. So when yung Sangguniang Panlungsod is standing on its right and its own authority, and when it does not allow to be a stamping pad of the executive, it is expressing its democratic right on the principle of equal power and authority among the three pillars, so that we will be able to sustain and maintain the democracy that you are enjoying right now. Sana maintindihan ninyo. Marami kayong maririnig dyan. Baba, kung mali yun, mabagal. Kung tama, padayon. But your Sangguniang Panglungsod, as a Master's in National Security Administration graduate, as a member of the Philippine Army, is proud to say, in my own little way, I will be serving my country by not allowing evil to triumph, because for evil to triumph is for good men not to do anything. Kaya kayong mga reservists, hindi lang sa panahon ng mga disaster kayo kailangan. Hindi lang sa panahon na may mga rebuilding kayo kailangan. Araw-araw tayong lahat ay kailangan maging vigilant, maging watchful, maging jealous in our guardianship of the democracy that we are enjoying right now. So that ang katong mga sakripisyo sa mga sundalo, ako nagkakong sundalo ng mga angel nga nangamatay sa gera, they would have not died in vain. Hindi nasayang ang kanilang dugo at pawis at buhay. Dahil nandito tayo, living witnesses on how we are able to sustain that freedom by being vigilant over our rights, by being free to speak up if it's necessary, so that this democracy will continue. Dili lang sa panahon na ang ginahimo nato ganing training nato. Good, may training tayo. But every day is your responsibility and your duty to be a good citizen of this country. And remember what I said, for evil to triumph, it's for good men not to do anything. And another thing that I said, vigilance is the price of freedom. All of us should always be vigilant as we watch our politicians governing us. Paing hapon, daghang salamat. Congratulations sa inyo.
Wow. Ma'am, thank you very much for your very inspiring, very meaningful message. Daghan kayong salamat, ma'am. Please be seated. Pulindot to give this certificate of appreciation and simple token to our ADC-RRA for 6ID, Colonel Jose Ambrosio Ebrostia. Sir, thank you for gracing us with your presence to this activity. And lastly, I would like to request our CDC Director to give this certificate of appreciation to Colonel Pulindot, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. To formally end this program, may I request Probationary Second Lieutenant Jessel Joy C. Tayamora, Philippine Army Reserve, to lead the mass singing of Pilipinas kung mahal.
Pilipinas kung mahal ang puso ko.